Paying your Jetblue credit card on time is essential to avoid late fees and interest charges. To make a payment, you can use one of the following methods. First, you can pay online by visiting the Barclays website, the issuer of the Jetblue credit card. To do this, go to the Barclays website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you have not registered for online access, you can enroll by providing your credit card details and personal information. Once logged in, click on the Make a Payment button and enter the amount you want to pay. You can pay your minimum payment, the full balance, or any amount in between. Second, you can pay by phone by calling the Barclays customer service number on the back of your credit card. Follow the automated prompts to make a payment using your checking or savings account. You can also speak with a customer service representative for assistance. Third, you can pay by mail by sending a check or money order to the address listed on your credit card statement. Make sure to include your credit card account number on the check or money order to ensure it is applied to the correct account. Finally, you can set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. To do this, log into your account online and click on the Payments tab. Then, select the payment amount and frequency, such as the minimum payment or the full balance, and the payment date. You can also set up alerts to notify you when a payment is due or when a payment has been made. It is essential to make your payment on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. The due date is listed on your credit card statement, and you should allow 7 to 10 business days for mail payments to be processed. You can also track your payment status online or by contacting Barclays customer service. By following these steps, you can make a payment on your Jetblue credit card and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always review your credit card statement carefully to ensure it is accurate and to check for any suspicious activity. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Barclays customer service for assistance.